Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Nokia 8.1, for the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon and then click and hold it. Do the same on the second smartphone. Right now click on the pair new device. And here is my smartphone, Huawei P30 Pro, so click on it. Accept the pair on both devices. And as you can see, currently my smartphone is connected to the Nokia 8.1. So that's how you can connect the device between the Bluetooth connection. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!